Hello, how are you? Today I will explain you another solution. This is one of the best solutions that I found in China because this solution can integrate radio trunking, IP25 and more systems in just one software who is working with multi-brands. One of the applications of this software, as you know, is for the police, firefighters and so on. The other part is that you can use this for location of the vehicles, like for the cab, do you know now in China Didi, maybe in United States Uber, for many applications like this you can use this software. The other option is that you can use for the public companies, normally like hydroelectric, atomic plants, because you can have a remote control of all the operations in the system. Now we will explain you just a little functions that why you should choose this one. Is first because it's totally integrated, it's safe, we are using encryption and also EAS. We have the function as update. Also you can redesign the software if you need, or you can add plugins. We can do in PHP, C++, any software that you need. We have multi-layers dispatchers. Example, you are the local government, the principal government, you can have in different provinces the security. So the principal dispatcher can connect with the second dispatcher and it's all totally integrated. And one of the best options of this is it's full integrated with multi-brands. When we are talking about multi-brands, we can integrate with Motorola, Hytera, Tetra and P25. I will explain you a little how it works. This solution is totally simple. Maybe you will hear about radio 4G, radio 3G, POC, push to talk. What is this technology? This technology is IP. No more. Any packet that you can get IP, you can send to the network and you can visualize and manage. Example, you have your radio. Your radio made the voice, they transport to IP and send to. You have the cell phone, you do the same. From the network could be Wi-Fi, G, Max, 4G, 3G, any network, you access to the servers. The server is where is the program are and also is who is in charge of routing the message. Now with this you can make dispatch, you can make video, you can make search, all the possibilities that you can imagine. But now, don't talk too much, I will show you how it works. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Now, example, this is the radio. You want more articles? Now they are also making this. You can make a video from here. This is for the firefighters, and you can be always in full connection. Now I will make a call. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he also replied me. Now he will be the dispatcher and he will make me a call, an individual call.
Home Park is calling you.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, I need help. Hi, I need help. Sorry. Hi, I need help. Hi, I need help. And now he will make me a video.
Join group 1.
Now he's making me a video. You can see him. Example, you can use this when you want to show what is happening in your location. Example, you have any trouble, any problem, they can see what is going on now. Now I will introduce some radios and subsystems. Example, what is the best? Why you should choose this application? I tell you why. Because of this. High vision, high nanda, high tera. This solution is full compatible with so many models of high tera and high vision, Dahua. Because now all the companies, they want to make the product, the software just for them. But these companies focus in all the brands. So you can have the video from the camera. Now it's also using face recognition in the security. You can also get the video from the drones. Example, from the drones must to be DJI. This is well known and everyone knows. They have for the Inspire one. Example, you have an emergency. The drone go up, he frame, then he take the video, and the video will be real time in your dispatcher. Now, some of the equipments that are compatible is most of the Chinese brands. The biggest one, Hytera, of course, Motorola compatible. You can see this is the body cam. This is the body cam, you can throw it. You have also the radio like the Hytera. This is the copy of one Hytera. This is an interesting idea, very compatible, portable. Also Hytera. And how can you do this? How can you be compatible with DMR? It's because here they have DMR POC gateway. How it works? He used the audio and the data from the Hytera DMR and sent to the dispatcher using the POC. And now you can see the camera. I could be here. Hi, hello. Hi, hello. I am here. And this is the advantage of this software. Now I will show you a little more in the software, and it's okay.